Ben Shaw here, 22-year tattoo artist and business owner, and this video is some quick tips on what you need to have in your portfolio when seeking out that tattoo apprenticeship. As a tattoo shop business owner, when someone approaches me about a tattoo apprenticeship, one of the things they have to have is a portfolio with artwork. Duh, our job requires us to do artwork. You have to love to do it, so you need to show what you can do. But just don't bring in some specific types of artwork. You're not going to be a specialist right away. It's going to take time and energy and experience before you can specialize. That's also something you earn. You want to start off with having some very foundational tattoo style artwork in that portfolio. First off, American traditional. Solid lines, nice smooth shading, and solid fills, nice gradients. That is the foundation of things you will do. Those are the first styles of tattoo you will do. That's how you get your foundation. So being able to show that you've done the research, you've designed those hearts with the banners with mom in them, or the eagles, or the traditional roses, shows that you're willing to humble yourself and start at the beginning. Now the evolution of that is Japanese style tattoo work, or Japanese style art, because that's where, well, American traditional came from. So designing very solid aligned, smooth shading, and nice bold color Japanese tattoo work is good, but it's an evolution because it has a foreground image like a dragon, a middle ground image like cherry blossoms or a penis flower, and then typically some sort of elemental background, earth, wind, water, fire. Now next up, you want to be able to do some black and gray shaded images. Portraits are great, just some sort of realistic image or just black and gray shaded looking artwork. And then the simpler version of that, cross-hatched and stipple shaded black work. This is foundational. This is what a lot of the day-to-day walk-ins want. Those little infinity symbols with the birds flying off of them, or the little arrows, or who knows what's next. But that very simple black work style is important for a young artist. Of course, color. You want to be able to do some cool, colorful artwork. You can look at the versions of color tattoo work, whether it be neo-traditional or new school, but showing you can work with colors and understand your color palette. And then you want to finish your portfolio with the stuff that you're really into, the stuff that you would want to eventually specialize in, but save that for the end. Showcase it. Wait for it to be the knockout punch at the end for the shop owner to go, oh wow, you are a talented artist. So those are just some quick tips. Of course, compile all that into a nice looking portfolio, not just crammed into a folder and just hand it out, but something that's professional. And I guarantee you'll get at least a second look by that tattoo shop owner. Hopefully this information was helpful. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck.